Vinny, I believe that formal education is only possible by going to school. What is it that nature can teach us?
Vinay, everything in nature has its own cycles and processes. This includes formation of clouds, growth of plants, shifting of seasons, etc.
But what do we learn from these processes?
If you observe carefully, you will be able to see balance, harmony, and sustainability in nature's processes, which seems to be missing in the current developmental process.
Nature based learning seems to be the best way to learn how to coexist with the environment.
Indeed, it is. And along with coexistence with the environment, nature also indirectly teaches us compassion and pushes us towards integrated growth.
But Vinny, can we get a good job and earn a decent living by getting solely educated in this manner?
Vinay, what you are referring to is the pragmatist philosophy of education. That's a topic for another day.